What's up, guys? So got another drift event today. Got the car all in the back there. It's all loaded up. Did a few minor changes. So last drift event I had the throttle cable kind of randomly get stuck. Saw that the line got melted on the turbo manifold or the back of the exhaust or something, I don't remember. I swapped out the whole line, got a bit shorter one because it was a little too long, the original one I put in. So that's all sorted. Should be good to go. Intercooler pipe, fixed that, so it's got a bead roll done now, won't fall off. It's not gonna pop off under boost now, so that should be sorted. Those are the only two real issues I had. If you watched that last video, the brake caliper bracket, so I ended up doing like a two-piece design made out of steel with the extra mounting point. If I have a picture, I'll throw it in, but it should be a lot stronger. It's not gonna break or warp or anything like that. So yeah, that's all the issues addressed from last event, so we should be solid, good to go. My buddy's gonna bring a AE86 Corolla with a K24, so that'll be interesting to see how it does. This is pretty much its first drift event, and we'll see how the setup is on that. It should be a pretty fun day. We got like almost 12 hours of driving on this one, so I don't think I have enough tires for that, but we'll see how long we can get through the day. Hopefully no issues. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get some gas, fill up some jerry cans, and then I'll continue when we get to the track, unload the car, and yeah, I'll show you a bit more when we get there. All set up at the track. Got a couple hours to kill, so I'm gonna hang out for a bit. And then we'll go for a test lap. Successful first session, but minor incident. I slide it back on. Landing over. Now we'll head back out. Session 2. Alright, so far so good. Just some minor issues here and there, but got it sorted pretty quickly. I'm gonna take my buddy's AE86 K swap out for a few laps, and I'll hop back in my car after that. See how that thing feels like. set now. Hopefully you don't destroy the fenders. See how these do. What?
I don't think I have V10. I don't think I have V10. Let's go top end.
Oil? Check the oil. Alright, so I took the coupler off and there you see, huge hole. So I guess that's it for this one. Just gonna wrap it up, pack it up, get everything on the trailer. That's it for this one. Okay, all loaded up, done for the day. As you saw in that last clip, coupler got a hole in it. I think it's from the heat, just too close to the manifold, so I'm gonna figure out what to do about that. maybe coat the manifold or get some sort of heat shield around that little 90, or maybe even weld like a aluminum piece on that elbow so I don't have to run that coupler like that anymore. Car did pretty good. A few small hiccups here and there, but nothing major. Ran actually, like I said, pretty good. So yeah, actually I also went through a lot of fuel. Surprisingly, I went through like 2 tanks of fuel. I don't think I really drove that much. I'll check the footage later, see what I got, and hopefully I got some good clips. Did some decent tandems, yeah, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, that's it for this one. Gonna take that car back to the shop, drop it off, and that was probably the last drift event of the year. So gonna get back to working on some other projects. I did pick up a new car, so that might be the next video. The turbo sedan also is almost finished getting tuned. I know that's a really long process, so yeah, once that car is done, I'll also be driving that one next year. But yeah, that's it for this one. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer as much as I can. And yeah, see you in the next one.